Hi, this is Drew Finn here for ExpertVillage.com. We're going to talk about cleaning and maintaining a deck. This video is presented by Black Dog Video, and you can visit us on the web at blackdogvideo.biz. We filled 3 parts water in here, and we're going to mix the bleach in now. And so there's 1 part of bleach, whether it's a quart, say it's a quart, we're doing less on this one, but 1 quart of bleach, 3 quarts of water. So in this case, we've got several pints. So we'll put in 1 pint here. We got 3 pints already in there. So we pour it in. Now, one thing we want to make sure we never ever do is mix the bleach with ammonia. You've mixed both of those together, and you can make a gas that's poisonous to and can injure you. So when we mix it, that's what we do. Now you don't have to do much swishing around it. I just swish it real quick. That will mix it up, and we can start applying it. Now, depending on the size of the deck, might depend on how you actually apply it. So we're going to use 2 methods. One is a manual application with a scrubber, and we usually do that in areas where we have to clean out the green, like over in here we've got a green. We're going to manually apply that and clean it off. Remember, 1 part of bleach, 3 parts of water, so 25% of it is bleach.